Number 9. Nine. Huh.
You are in my shot. This is a main camera. You can't enter this shot.
No, we only have Platoon 9 on camp. I'm sure we don't know about this other one. What is Platoon 9 is on board. That's what we know.
You are backing the stage.
Okay. It's a Baggy tribe. It's a Baggy tribe.
Baggy Kunu. Amagbaga Musada Mulo. Ikube ya Dagma. Ikube ya. Agbaji Jazani Yela Naje. Iye ya Jabo Anaje. Shekoba Maiji. I understand that we have strangers here in this festival. This is a festival of unity, love, and peace. And then it's important for me to say what I've said in Baggy language so that it will be fair to the strangers in our midst. What I just said is that we are here gathered to celebrate the peace, unity, and the joy in Baggy land. And even as you are here, I want you to feel free. We have strangers in our midst, and then we have Baggy people in our midst. I want you to make merry, dance, and enjoy yourself. Shekoba Baiji. Baggy Kunu. Baggy Kunu. Let the festival begin. Yagode shefe anyanya abala mudas zom ijado alo shekoba maiji. We have a lot of jepo, we have a lot of kandolo and fish. Please eat and make merry. Thank you so much. The music can continue.